brush and then dip in ink. I'm going to use my foot to grab the brush, but for do this previous things, I need my hand. And I just simply stand on one foot, one leg, and I put the brush, in this Japanese style sock, and I just do it. I still have my, same heart, same mind. That's also the character image for that, yeah. Nothing, what's the secret for that? I explained below, just 6 steps, yeah. So what about you, some people do hand painting, right? So brush is just a tool, right? Use hand, use your, I just want to say that, so, okay, then I will clean up that, and today is a special day for our musician, and we learned the smaller one. No matter, we don't judge with good or bad, but this is the good time for you, to try. Okay, we'll clean up that, and later then you try.
Thank you.